Hello! I just got a new generator and I'm testing it out in my truck camper.
It's cool blue.
It is a Pulsar PG2200BiS. I'll put a link in the description. But basically, it's a dual fuel propane and gas generator, 2200 watt peak. Really, with propane, it's a little less, I think 2000. And we're going to try it with a couple different AC settings and just see how it does. Now, my AC in the camper stock. I am planning on doing a hard start kit just to make this a little bit easier, but I'm not going to spoil it, but we're at least going to give it a try with this setup and then see how it works. So far it's all ready to go. I will say that it's about 90 degrees and 70+% humidity out here, so not optimal. It actually says that degrades the performance of the generator if it's over 70 degrees, so we'll see how it does. So Thomas, you want to start the generator for the first time? Okay, let's flip it on. Economy mode's off. There's no load on the generator. We're going to give it a try.
Try it for the first time.
All right. One more time there.
One more.
Oh, okay. Give me a try this time. All right.
There you go. It's hard.
I will say, Thomas did get it started at least once.
I did twice.
Yes, twice. You did get it twice. So, that's the generator.
I'm going to put this in.
Just a sec. This is the generator in regular mode. Pretty quiet. We can talk, right? We can talk pretty good, hear each other. Hopefully you can hear us. I'm going to show you economy mode. It says idle with no load. Even quieter.
Yep.
Alright? Though,
Does it do as much?
we'll try it in economy mode after we try it in regular mode. So first up, why don't you go ahead and plug it in.
Which one?
Top one. I will say with this little adapter, it only fits in one of the two. We're adapting to a 30 amp line, though I already know my AC will run just fine off of a normal 15 amp in our house.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put it in regular mode. Then we're gonna go inside the camper and turn the AC on. All right, put it in regular mode.
Regular
All right,
mode.
so it's idled up a little bit.
So,
Now, Thomas, why don't you go inside and get set?
I'll show this.
Okay, show them where we got it connected.
Okay, so over here,
Just to prove we really are connected.
it's connected to this.
Yep.
As it goes into the camper, just here.
All right.
Here, testing.
That's good.
Okay.
All right. Stay there, Braden. Stay. Yeah, because you got to be able to show what
Up
you're
here?
doing. There you go.
Okay.
All right, go ahead and put it in low cool.
Low cool. Oh no, low fan, you mean?
Yep, low fan, sorry.
Low
And
fan
high
is
fan.
on and it is blowing at me. You want me to do another
Go
low
ahead and do
fan?
high fan. So far, the generator hasn't changed sound at all. Why don't you back out here, Braden, so they can hear the generator? Keep going.
Low cool?
Wait till Braden's set. Okay, so you can hear the generator. Go ahead, go to low cool. Be low cool. It's fine. Alright, so you heard the generator idle up. Alright. Is it cool, Thomas? Is it nice cool air? Alright, now do high air. That's high cool. So, it's running it just fine. How's it feel, Thomas?
Feels amazing.
Alright, let's go ahead and shut it all the way back off. Alright, so it's back off. We're going to go over there. You stay in there, Thomas. We'll come back in just a second. I'm going to switch it to economy mode now. Alright, heard it idle down. Now I'm going to leave you out here. Why don't you stay close and point to the generator, Brady. And we're going to turn it to low fan. Alright, no difference. Now high fan. No difference. Now low cool. Alright, so that made a difference. That's economy mode. It started it up. It's fine. Now high cool. Alright, so you're actually not supposed to be able to do what we just did. Go ahead and turn it back off, Thomas. So you're actually not supposed to do what we just did. You're supposed to take the load off before you. You're supposed to take economy mode off before you turn the heavy load like the air conditioner on, but it worked fine. All right, so so far I'm pretty impressed. I'm going to do a little more testing on it. Thank you to Thomas and our cameraman Braden for their help. Bye.